Hello, remote family. Happy Wednesday. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I am back with another work from home job, and today I have a three no phone jobs which doesn't require any degree and any experience, and these jobs can be done by anyone. So, let's get into the job details. So, the first opening which I have is with this company Centric, and they are looking for customer coordinator, and this is a remote job. So let's get into the job requirements. So you will be preparing, compile, and sort documents for data entry. You will receive orders that come in and take those orders that are actually start keying those in multiple systems that they have which are online GUI application to a computer. You will also verify data and correct data where necessary. You will obtain further information for incomplete documents. You will combine and rearrange data from source documents where required, and you will also enter data from source documents into the computer systems and forms. You will comply with data integrity and security policies. So, the qualifications required for the job role are a formal computer training, proficient in relevant computer applications such as MS Office, and keyboard skills. The salary for the job role is $12.50 an hour, and the company will provide you all equipments like computer and a desktop. So if you're interested in this job role, please apply for this. You can email your resume on this email address which is mentioned over here. So let's move on to the second job lead. So the second job lead which I have is with this company Full Steam, and they are looking for data entry specialist, and this is the part-time 100% work from home and no phone job. So let's see the job requirements. So here are your primary responsibilities. You will enter data into appropriate fields, databases, records, and files. You will create and organize spreadsheets, summarizing and compiling data for standardized reports. You will view and verify confidential or private customer client information. You will also be verifying data by correctly checking and comparing source documentation and organizing paper formats, paper backups, and material source files as needed. It's a part-time position with an hours based on business need. So here are the primary qualifications required for a job role. A knowledge of Microsoft Office, particularly Excel, spreadsheet, attention to detail, and a good typing speed. A knowledge of typing system is preferred. Excellent verbal and written communication skills and in-depth understanding of database. However, they haven't mentioned the salary which they will be offering for the job role. But as I check on Glassdoor, and I found that the salary for data entry specialist is somewhere around $39,000 per annum. So you will find the link for this to apply below in the description. So the second opening which I have is again with the same company, Full Steam, and they are looking for customer implementation specialist. And this one is a full-time role, 100% remote, and a no phone job. So let's see the primary responsibilities. You will manage all implementation tasks, including weekly calls, training sessions, and go live tasks. You will build a good working relationship with customer stakeholders. Travel to visit and train customer as needed. You will ensure projects are delivered on time, and you will assist in managing the project scope and objectives. You will follow the defined project plan. You will suggest improvements to company defined processes to help projects run more efficiently. You will communicate to management and suggest changes to the project scope and timeline. You will report and escalate or project risk management as needed, and assist with testing development items and project deliverables. You will also assist with creating internal and client documentation, including release notes, knowledge base, articles, and training videos. So, the qualification required for this job role is a knowledge of cloud based SaaS application, 2+ years of experience with SaaS software, excellent project management skills, exceptional communicational skills, understanding of technical concepts, and a history in the print mail industry. So this was again a no fun job, and if you are interested in this as well, please apply for the same. You will find the job links, the application link for all the three jobs below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.